Hey guys, it's Rhonda and welcome back to my channel. Shout out to all of the new subscribers and to our current subscriber. Hey, how y'all doing? Thanks so much for joining me. So today I'm making a simple, easy, amazing recipe. It's my portobello rice. It's delicious, it's refreshing. It has a lot of cilantro in there, it's got some lime in there, it's got sun-dried tomatoes. So I love it because you can eat this rice by itself, or you can go ahead and add on to it. Like you can put it in a wrap or just add it as a side. But I love it. It's totally delicious and I want to share it with you guys.
Wait, hold on.
I remind you guys that my plant-based cooking course is coming out soon. We're finalizing all of the recipes. You guys are gonna love it because my cooking is a little bit different from the rest of people that's cooking on YouTube. I hope y'all notice that. Totally different. So I'm gonna take you a little bit around the world. I'm taking y'all to Jamaica, then we coming back, then we going to Canada, then we coming back, then we going to the West Indies, then we coming back from there, then we going to Trinidad, honey, then we going to Dominican Republic. So I have recipes that y'all gonna definitely want. I'm hitting up all the islands. Okay, shout out to my island folks. So I'm hitting up all the islands, so you guys definitely want to stick around and you know, get some of these recipes. And you know, if you're new to cooking, this is perfect for you, because then this way your husband's gonna be like, what is going on? The food is on point, girl. And that's what you need. You need to make this man happy. Y'all gotta make sure y'all cook for these men. Come on. All right, enough rambling. Let me get to the recipe. All right, I'll see you guys on the next episode. Oh, and if you're on Instagram, follow me under Rad Events. If you're watching this on Instagram, go to my YouTube channel, Rad Event 1. I'm gonna see y'all soon. So in a skillet, add a little bit of oil, not too much. Then you want to go ahead and add your garlic in there. Now, I love to have my garlic caramelized a little bit, because once the dish is done, then you get to see those little caramelized bits, and it adds texture and color, not to mention flavor to your dish. works well with jasmine white rice. I've tried it with other rice, but I don't really like how it comes out. So I would suggest you use jasmine white rice. Let the church be the church. I told y'all it's a good recipe. So I have to get some of this to my daughter. It's so good, she may not get any. That's how good it is. So good, guys. Go ahead and try it. See, it's simple and it's easy. Let me get this up to my daughter, because I can hear her already coming on the stairs. So I'm gonna see you guys on the next episode.